Guys, welcome back to Dragy the World. Today, got a prized possession of mine in the Middleton Motorsports family's car is this 2020 GT500. This is one that we built up, and it's actually, we kind of built into our Middleton Motorsports Track package. So set up for road racing, have a lot of good times at Road America with it. Probably done about 500 laps up there already over the last few years. Managed to get a 221 out of the car, looking to get into the teens with it, but this thing is completely built for road racing. But we wanted to do Dragy the World with it, because why not? We do everything. So this thing's set up with negative 3.4 degrees of camber all around, so it's not ideal for drag racing, but you know, you gotta run it the way it's set up, and that's what we're gonna do. We got it on Hoosier A7, so that's like our stickiest tire we have for it, wrapped around the signature SV501s. Got an intake on the vehicle for a little bit of added horsepower. Got the harnesses. This thing actually has a little more weight than factory because we got the roll bar from Competition Motorsports that we put in all of our track package vehicles. Also has the carbon fiber track pack wing obviously out back. This thing, again, built 100% for road racing, but we're gonna go do Dragy the World, do our loop, and this car doesn't get any exceptions. It's one run and see what it does. So predictions-wise, I don't even know. Like, I literally haven't done much drag strip stuff with this. I mean, the tires should, we'll see. I think the biggest thing we're gonna be fighting is camber, so let's not wait any longer and go see what we can do in it. Drag strip mode activated. The thing I found out with drag mode is that even if you have it in manual mode, it'll shift for you at the maximum. So if you miss a shift or anything, it automatically shifts for you. It's the only mode I found that it does that. So you learn things here on Dragy the World. If you can hear me over the exhaust. So this is my personal GT500. A lot of you guys have seen me like doing Road America laps and stuff on it. Didn't necessarily build this thing for drag racing. It's more for road courses. I'm running negative 3.4 degrees of camber in the back, which is like less than ideal for drag racing, but we're not going to adjust it just for Dragy the World, because you know the rules. Just one time, we'll see what it does. So we're going on the loop right now. We're going to see what she can do. All right, guys, well, wow, 3.07 rear-wheel drive car. And that's getting pretty close to the turbo all-wheel drive. So definitely right now it's the fastest rear-wheel drive vehicle that we've done. So not specifically set up for drag racing. I'm very proud. Like, this thing's awesome. So I think we could maybe get a little bit more out of it if we adjust the camber and stuff. But this thing's dialed in. We're obviously not going to change it just for Dragy the World, but thanks again for tuning in. This is an exciting one of our favorite cars at the Middleton Motorsports headquarters. So make sure to tune in, check out the other videos on what this car is really built for, and check out those track videos. Otherwise, do all that YouTube stuff, because that helps us do more of these videos, and we really appreciate that. But thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next episode.
Yeah.